In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to create custom icons in FileMaker using screenshots. So I have here a button bar, and in this button bar I have memberships, payments, client details, and staff. So while FileMaker does give you some icons for client details and staff, there really isn't any icons we can use for membership or payments. So what I've done here is I've created a couple screenshots, and I'm going to use these screenshots in order to create these last two icons. So the first thing we want to do is go to this website, picsvg.com, and we're going to go to upload a picture. And in here, I'm going to start with a $sign, and we'll just go open. And so scroll down. This works with any picture. It could be a picture of yourself if you wanted, so it doesn't really matter. Any screenshot will do. There's a bunch of options here. So these options show this in several various different ways. I usually like to go with ready number 1 just because it matches the original the best. But there's several other options here that kind of looks the same. So yeah, invert 1, invert 2. So it just kind of shows you different stages. But as I said, ready 1 is usually the best one for this. And so we're just going to want to click download SVG, and that's going to download this file. And so we're going to show that in the Finder. And all right, so now I have my SVG. Let's go back to FileMaker here. And in here, so this is the payment one. I do want to do one more thing real quick with this. So let's open this up. So to prepare, we're going to want to, first of all, we can get rid of this XML at the top. Doc type, we don't need that. So really we just want the SVG part of this. This is something the website adds, so we don't really need that. So we got our width, height, VBox. So right here, fill. So here's the trick with FileMaker. You can either add a class FM fill, or what I usually do is just delete that. So pretty simple. So now we're going to close this. Do you want to save? Save. Okay, so back to FileMaker. We're going to change the icon. So let's add a new icon. And here we have our SVG. Insert. And then we just select that. And just like that, we have our new icon. So let's go ahead and do the same thing with membership. So here I come back to the website, upload a picture, and we have our membership card. Select open, and then we scroll down, and again, let's go with ready 1, usually the best one. And we're going to download that SVG. And here's our SVG. And again, it's given us this XML stuff at the top we don't need. It's giving us the same metadata that we don't really need. And then our fill, we'll just get rid of that. So as you saw, the fill will automatically go with whatever is in FileMaker. So we don't really need to worry about FM fill so much there, the class FM fill. So what we're going to do is go back to FileMaker and try adding this new SVG we just created, like so. And is that the right one? Yeah, that is the right one. Okay, sweet, just like that. We have our 4 icons we wanted. So like that. And if you do, please click the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.